In this video, I will show you how you can easily fix Windows winload.exe errors without updating or reinstalling your current Windows installation. All files links are given in the description below. First of all, download these two files on your pen drive and start your Windows. Mine goes straight into repair mode. If yours don't, just insert your installation disk. First of all, select language, then on bottom left hand side, click on repair. Select command prompt option. You need to know your Windows installation directory and directory of your pen drive. Enter xcopy command. Now just restart your computer. That's all. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.